Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of yet another budget offering from Kult in India, the Kult Impulse smartphone. So Kult has announced the Impulse smartphone which retails for 899, that's 9K pricing with a full view display. It has a 5.99-inch HD plus resolution display and quite decent specifications overall. So in this video let's talk about the device. We'll unbox it first and then we'll have a look at the specifications as well. So this is the box packing. You can see the Impulse branding here. And on the back panel you can see the specifications mentioned. It's a tall display, 6 inches HD display. It's an 18:9 aspect ratio. Battery is a 4000 mAh capacity battery. That's quite good capacity. 13 megapixel front and rear camera, so selfie camera is also 13 megapixel, f-stop 2.0 aperture. Then there is face unlock functionality included, and it comes with 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, up to expandable up to 64GB, and you can see both the rear and front camera have f-stop 2.0 aperture, 2.5D glass, true view technology for the display. 3 slots are included, dual SIM VoLTE, and micro SD card is also included, fingerprint sensor, 1.5 GHz quad core. It's a MediaTek chipset. It's an MT6739 quad core chipset coupled with Mali T70 MP1 GPU. It has a 4000 mAh capacity battery as well. So the Android version is Android Nougat 7.1. Metal unibody is the design, I mean the build quality. So that's the Kult Impulse smartphone. It retails for 899. So let's open the box. So there you go. So opening up the box, you can see the Kult Impulse on the top. So that's the Kult Impulse smartphone. So let's just peel off all these stickers and we'll just boot the device. So there you go. So you can see the 13 megapixel rear camera, dual LED flash, the fingerprint scanner. Then on the right side we have this power and volume keys included. The left side houses the SIM tray. So that's the SIM tray included. So it's a triple slot. That means you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card together. And we have the micro USB charging slot and the 3.5mm audio jack. The bottom panel houses the speaker unit. So the build quality wise, this looks pretty solid, and this is a metal construction. So this is 6-inch display, HD plus resolution display. So let's boot the device, and you'll also see what all comes inside the box. So here we have the information guide. You can see that some information has been shared here about the device. Then some 6 stickers are included with the box pack, and then we have a colorful box pack here. You can see that there is a SIM ejector pin. So let's just take these things one by one and see what all it comes. So this is the first box. So we have a charger included. So this is the standard adapter. So let's just see the voltage rating as well. So the voltage rating is 5 volt 2 amperes. So that's the standard charging included. Then we get this is probably the cable. Yes, we have the standard USB cable. That's micro USB charging cable. And finally, let's see what is inside this box. So there you go. Comes with the badge. You can see the Kult Simplify Inspire. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the Kult Impulse smartphone with a 5.99-inch of HD plus resolution display. You can see the device looks a bit taller because of the larger bezels on the top and the bottom, and it has HD plus resolution display. So let's go to the software aspect. This runs on Android 7.1 Nougat out of the box, and we have some additional apps included like FM radio, file manager is there, and that's it. Not much of apps included, just the basic apps. And let's go to the settings, and here we have the option, the basic options what you see on the stock Android like UI. So no major customizations are included, and here we have some smart awake functionalities here. So here we have some options like off-screen double click, off-screen slide C. So some gestures are supported, and you can see the about phone Android 7.1.1 Nougat. Then there is full screen mode, so you can see which all apps you want to run in the full screen. So that's the UI. Let's have a look at the camera. So this is a 13 megapixel shooter on the rear panel, as well as a 13 megapixel rear camera and the front camera as well. So both the cameras are 13 megapixel. So let's just take some captures. So these are some of the camera samples we have taken with the Kult Impulse after unboxing the device. So you can have a look at how good the camera quality is. Now the highlight of the device is it comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery. That should be quite good enough for most users. It can last slightly more than a day with a 4000 mAh capacity battery. So that is definitely one of the highlights of this device. So this is the unboxing and hands-on with the Kult Impulse, which is priced 899, that's 9K pricing, and comes with a 18:9 aspect ratio display and MediaTek chipset with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.